Fusion 360's product design extension is a collection of advanced design tools that enable an automated approach to creating complex product designs. It includes intelligent feature settings and guidance to improve product performance and prepare your design for manufacturing. We've set out to save you time by automating and parametrically defining boss features. This new tool lets you configure your parts and store them as a default. Dozens of options for details like fastener types, thread forms, material options, and more. Having these features automatically created is one thing, but having them fully parametrically constrained is a whole other ballgame. With each characteristic tied to parameters, you can change the boss's sub-features like draft angle or shoulder depth. You can also change their overall positioning within your design. Focus more time on the function and aesthetics of your product as you apply specialized tools that increase modeling efficiency and editing capabilities. Turn your ideas into finished products faster with industry-driven technology in the product design extension for Fusion 360.